Right. A couple of questions about the type of mask and whether it's needed when you go out. So one of the sisters is asking, when I go running, come across a few people, try to stay away. I would want to wear a face mask, but I find it difficult. Apologies for that. I find it difficult to stay at home and cannot get my normal exercise. So would you advise to wear a face mask when running? I think you touched it initially, but I think lately there has been some advice about using face mask. So I think there's some confusion around that. Secondly, there is another question. Are you supposed to wear a normal mask or are you supposed to be wearing an N95 mask? Perhaps it's linked to the first question as well.
Okay, so there's no guidance to say that wearing a face mask in the general public, when you're out and about, that's going to change your risk of either transmitting or catching coronavirus. So that's the first thing. People are allowed to go and exercise if you're going out running, as long as you're keeping that 2-meter distance from other people, or you're going out and running in an open area. There's absolutely no harm in doing that. And even if you're running past somebody, just either come to the side. So we've got to be pragmatic about this. There's no hard and fast rule, but what we do know is that you don't need to be wearing a mask when you're out and about. That's what the current evidence is. Now, in terms of types of mask, there is clear evidence if you work in an environment where there is a risk to you. For instance, in healthcare, there's a lot of discussion at the moment in terms of giving ghusl to the dead body, etc. There is some very specific guidance. It's just come out yesterday from Public Health England in terms of the types of masks to wear. But the important thing is that if you do wear an N95 or the other types of more specific masks, then you need to ensure that those masks fit you properly and you've had a fit test, because if it's still leaking air in and out, then it's not actually going to stop you from catching or passing anything.